Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Good morning, everybody. Quite a move down from the market open. Quite a move down. Good morning, everybody. I'm Bye Money. We are here trading the Nascraq live every single day. Pandas, are you ready? Are you ready? Ah. I tried to trade after stream and got punished. I took like 2 more trades after stream, I think. Yeah, I went long here. Got stopped out. Went short here on this trap. Got stopped out. And then I stopped. I just stopped trading because yesterday was just a confusing day. It was very, very confusing. It was not the type of price action that I enjoy. But we had quite a lot of price action after, like in the in the Globex session. Quite strong. Quite a strong move. Huh. Seems like. Trap trade setting up here. If this is a big channel, then this is like the only way I can draw this channel, I think. But from here, I don't know. If we're to draw it from here, it'll be like this. Undershoot, overshoot, continuation. If that does happen, maybe like this. I'm interested in a second entry short on the 2500 tick. And maybe a failed trap on the 500. My 2500 tick has a second entry short here. ABC, or just 2 legs up. Back to the 20 EMA, essentially. Yeah. 5 minutes gonna look wild when it opens. Huge gap. By the way, Pandas, no news. If you haven't already, I would subscribe because I put posts up in terms of which news I think will make or break your accounts on Apex. Let me say good morning to a couple of my pandas before market opens. Crimson Demon, good morning. Bray, good morning. Banali, good morning. Ace from top with overshoot break and a new low. I see. Bill 7, good morning. Scalp that like button. Scalp. It's as easy as that. Let's try, Pandas. Let's try. Let's try, Pandas. Let's try something amazing right now this morning. Let's get some bamboo. It just looks good for a second entry short here. Let's see if we get it. It does trigger. The risk is more than I typically want, but let's go for a good reward here. If this does trap, then I'll probably let it go, because we're beneath the 20 EMA. If this like goes up here and then we trapped, I would like that more, but we're beneath the 20 EMA. So see, notice here how the trap triggers beneath the 20 EMA fails. Let's see if we can get a new low. Hopefully the market open will help us get down to here with a strong push down, but we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. Looking just for a new low here. It's not looking good though, I'll tell you that much. When it pops up back like that, you don't like that, but it's just a second entry short 2500 tick. Also Pikachu trade. Bill 7 says too close to open. I agree. It is. I'm breaking one of my rules. Don't hold the trade into the open because things get a little bit wild. But hopefully that wildness will actually help us in this time. I tell you what though, it does not look good right now. It's typically, when you enter a second entry short, you want it to be pretty quick going into your direction. When it hangs out like this on the entry bar, it's not a good sign. It becomes like 50-50 almost, I feel like. Market open 30 seconds. Do I want a trap trade? Do I want to trade a trap here? I'll just take the hit. I'm not going to take an outside bar reversal trap, but I'll just take the hit if it does trap. 10 seconds to market open. The risk is not too much more than I typically would risk. Market opens now. It does not look good. I'll tell you that much. Takes me out. Trap does trigger. We start with an L. It's all good, Pandas. I like the signal bar. I like the fact we're in downtrend. I guess we didn't quite touch the 20 EMA, but we tried to get pretty close to it. Good looking signal bar as well. I did break one of my rules. I don't trade near the market open. And maybe this is why. But I like the risk, right? The risk reward there was not too bad for a 2500 tick chart trade. Okay, seems like we're flushing now after the trap fails here. What can you do? What can you do? You know what I mean, Panda? What can you do? It is what it is. We're kind of stuck in the trading range from the 5-minute chart. Look at the 5-minute chart. We start way down here. We open way down here, but we're pretty much in yesterday's range. Right? Look at the range for the last couple of days. Right? Like, this has been the range for the last several days here. And that's where we're at. So in order to go short here, you're really looking to have a breakdown. $2,500 tick chart ends up looking pretty good after the trap fails, unfortunately. I'm glad I didn't take the trap. Let's say that, right? I'm glad I didn't reverse my trade, take the trap. I mean, let's try, I guess. Let's try, see what happens. I don't love it. Right near the bottom of the trading range as well, on the higher time frames. Okay, we're in this trade. I'm thinking we're gonna try to test the bottom, the low of yesterday, with this type of price action. All right, this is gonna chop. This is chopping me up, huh? I had lots of signs that we were entering chop. Maybe I shouldn't have entered that. Yeah, I had a certain target in mind, thinking we're making a new low here, breaking this low, and I entered really prematurely. This didn't realize or didn't consider that all of this is trap or choppy right now, making this trap fail plus pretty bad signal bar. Two losers in a row. Sacks. I guess I can try long. I guess I could try long here. We're looking for a lot here on this reversal up. Looking for a lot here. At least a 1 to 2. At least a 1 to 2 here. We had a 1 to 1 in the pocket. Well, I figure when this trap fails and we got a trap hitting the other side, good chance, and we're near the bottom of the trading range, good chance of pushing up pretty strong. Looks like we're gonna get hit here again. Darn. I can come up break even if I don't think it looks good, but I wanted that 1 to 2. If I really want a big swing trade, I can extend this, but I don't know if I want that. Yeah, it's a lower high here anyways. Second entry short or second entry long? Still have a chance here. I can come up break even at least with a little bit more. If I don't love it anymore, come up break even. Give it a chance, let it cook. Just let it cook a little bit. Let him cook! Pandas! Good hold. I don't like the prospect of this trying again down here. Basically hitting pivot high. Trying to take a 1 to 2. It comes all the way back down. It's a shame. Am I going to have to hold it risk the entire time? Hate to do it, but I might have to. Ooh, that trap. This trap failing. This first entry failing. Makes me not like this trade at all, right? The Bulls had a tough time making money here. That first entry failing is no good. We need this to really push if we want to push from here. We need this to really push if we want to push from here. It does not look good. The 1 to 2 is... Wow! Okay, just flushes down. What's the worst that can happen here? I lose a little bit. Okay, another trap. That's a really good sign for us. Now this fails. It's gonna be doo-doo poo-poo. Wow. Wow. Can you just push one time, please? I don't know. It's getting choppy here. I'll hold, I guess. We got a couple trend lines helping us here. I guess. I mean, it looks like it wants to push up pretty hard, but who knows? Fails to push up again. This is just terrible. Is this just gonna flush downwards? Is this what it's planning to do? I just don't know if I want to hold past break even now. But I will. I guess I will. I don't know, pandas. I don't know what's happening here. I'm going to go long here on this second entry long. Double entry. Okay, never mind. I mean, this could really push. Let's get the 1 to 2 pandas. I'll take it. Pandas! And that's how you do it. That's how you do it, pandas. Those are called diamond cojones. We're down 600 now. We're down 85. Pandas! John Q, in the name of Jesus, Daryl Christ, I command the price moved to your target. Wow, that's there's so much blasphemy in that statement. I can't even believe it. Sorry, Pans. I was so focused on the trade. You guys were all commenting on it. While I've been getting chopped like liver this month. Yeah, it's pretty bad. John Q says, this is the only thing I watch on YouTube. Wow. That's actually an honor. I appreciate it. Fifi says, been watching you for a while now, but still don't understand it. Just are you just guessing, or there's a mythology that I'm missing? Saman says, break even? No. Never. Hold. Hold. YL John Q, can you command price move on SPX2? Thanks. He's a miracle worker, I'm telling you. Whew. I mean, look at the 5-minute chart, pandas. Look at the 2 candles on the 5-minute chart. Like, these candles are just gross. Like, that's a full-blown doji bar right there. Ooh, second entry long here. Coming off our trend line and also the 20 MA. Not the worst looking trade in the world. It's not the worst looking trade in the world, pandas. I don't like how we're getting between the 20 MA and the 240 SMA. I don't like how these two MAs are converging. Tate says, good morning. Good morning. I'll tell you this. Trading is all about risk reward and probability. So in a sense, I am guessing every single trade. There's nothing 100%. If there's anything 100%, then trading really wouldn't work, because everyone will do that 100% thing. I gotta try, pandas. It's stinky. It's very stinky, but I'm gonna try here. Do not copy my trades. It's very stinky. Okay, it rips through my. Just because we're on 2 key areas, I'm gonna try here. I'm gonna attempt it. Just for the sake of the 2-leggy. You know, pandas, you know what I mean. Second entry long. Don't quite get there yet. I mean, this could just reverse on the dime. I've seen incredible things happen in the market. This looks good though for me. It's a little more than 1-to-1. I'm just looking for a new high at this point.
Target filled.
Pandas! Second entry long, decent looking signal bar, just coming off the trend line and also our 20 EMA. I mean, it's just it's the bread and butter. It's our two leggy on two key areas. I mean, what can you say, pandas? What can you say? Sometimes things just work. I had my two losers, now I have two winners. But my winners were so much bigger than my losers that I'm positive, like pretty good right now. Pretty good right now. Man, strong bull bar, 2500 tick chart. I could have held that for a little bit longer. I wish I had runners. But pandas, I can't afford them. They're too expensive. Runners. Unless I trade like the minis. Mini Nascraq. Crimson News, I took it. Let's go, baby. Congrats. Crimson Deer says he's done for the day. That's what I'm talking about, Pandas. That's what I'm talking about. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat if you're watching. Strong bull bar, 2500 tick chart, right? Ending on its high. It's also triggers a trap, right? We have a trap trade here. That's another reason why I want to go long here, because of that trap setting up. If this does work out, that would be very good. I could have gone up for 1-2 as well here. But again, I didn't like how these EMIs were converging. No follow through on the strong bull bar though. 2500 tick. YL says, I've been long SPX since October 9th. I wish I was done for the day too. Does ES have a gap too? Good question. I should have an ES chart up. ES chart gap is way worse, and the ES price action is way worse than what we're seeing now on the Nascraq. Right, Nascraq, here's a 5-minute, some volatility. Let's do this. Here's a 5-minute ES. This is the price action you're getting on the EMINI. That is stanky. Stanky. Absolutely stanky. I don't know how you guys are trading the ES still. I mean, the EMINI is like... yeah, I don't know. I mean, Nascraq is, in a sense, easier than trading in the EMINI because you have volatility. Way more volatility. Yeah, EMINI is absolutely disgusting. Disgusting, yeah, see? Yeah, see? This is so, yeah, this is filthy. Absolutely filthy. Diabolical, even, you may say. We're in a nice uptrend right now. I wish we actually touched a 20 EMA here. I might have been interested in going long again. But the 5-minute chart on the Nascraq, we're trying to fill the gap, it looks like. I mean, like I said, this has been the trading range for the last 3 days. We actually filled the gap here. You see this? We touched the gap, we bounce off of it. I guess maybe this is the range here. I don't know, something like that. Yeah, this is a range here. It would be something like this. Daily chart. Ah, daily is on the limit order market. Just buy near the bottom of the channel here. I didn't even notice that. I didn't even notice that, Pandas. Didn't notice the daily was on a also a limit order market. Has been since back. Well, even here you can see signs of it. Even back here you can see signs of it. it was going to start to enter into the limit order market, which is probably why people are getting chopped up this month, because the daily chart is not behaving well. I'm not feeling confident in this uptrend. I could take another one, Pandas. I could try. Second entry long here forming. Let's see how this looks. I mean, if you're going to give me a good signal bar off of these key areas again, I gotta try. I gotta try again. I hate to try it, but I gotta try. We're getting quite choppy here as well, but let's see what happens, Pandas. In this trade. Yeah, I could have pretty much predicted that was going to happen. We're on two key areas again, 20 EMA and the trend line. I mean, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars in a row. That itself could have stopped me from entering this trade. Well, let's see if this uptrend continues. You also have the 5-minute chart, 20 EMA blocking you. As long as we're in this channel, why not try? Every time it pushes up, it's less probability to win. Right, every attempt up is less and less probability. Trap triggers. I didn't enter the trap because we really haven't had a full break of this channel yet. Oh, the trap fails. I'll take wow. Alright. Trap fails. We got too many overlapping bars in a row now. Too confusing. Got about like 7 overlapping bars in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Starting to make 8 overlapping bars in a row. Just sit on our paws a little bit, Pandas. Sit on our paws, why don't we? We're not really in the channel anymore either. It's an H4 setup. I mean, I like H4s. Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll try. Thinking we're in a trading range here. Maybe come back to the top of this trading range. If we break down, we break down. It's all good, Pandas. I mean, we're near the 20 EMA, right? And we're near the bottom of this chop. Hopefully the chop won't break down as it's doing right now, and it is completely takes me out. I mean, I don't know. Feels like it's starting to turn to a limit order market, but now it's breaking down. H4 fails, but it's off the 20 EMA. Gotta try. I took the full risk too. I shouldn't have taken the full risk. Let's try to take advantage of the limit order market. YL. Bill 7. Let me go up in the comments a little bit. Hugh says, you put limit orders at the highs and lows of the wicks and scalp out. Easy peasy. Yes. That's the name of the game. Bray says, when I first started watching you, you only traded ES, MES, and warned me not to trade ES with my own personal account. Yeah. That still stands true. YL, Pan, stop switching your charts. I'm trying to trade. Panda's up 1045 in a new 750k, 75k eval, and up 935 on a 350k eval. I got the 8% off deal. I think it ends today. I'm finished for the day. It ends at the end of the month. They extended it. But yeah. Actually, it ends today. Ends today. Everyone get it right now while it lasts. No, I'm just kidding. Bray says 10 a.m. news. There might be news, but nothing that I care about. I only care about high impact news in the U.S. only. There might be other news out there, but if you care about every single news event, it's just can't keep track anymore. Probability. Phoenix, hi Pandas. Body bag. Does Michael Chin have a mentorship? I'm not gonna even answer that. Bill 7 says, does it end today or extended? When is a 99.999% deal coming out? It's a good question. They're going to have to push out a 90% sale soon, I think. It's been extended to on the website. I guess it hasn't been extended yet, but according to out of Daryl's mouth or John's mouth, yeah, it's extended 9 days to the end of the month. If you go to the website, it also says it. Also, top left of your screen, you can see I have also noted that it is end of the month. I'll take a trap trade here. This is blowing up to the upside here. Are we gonna get a chance to get long here? Pandas? Are we even gonna get a chance to get long? We got four bull bars in a row. 2 of which are ending on their highs. I mean, if you're thinking what I'm thinking, you're thinking this is like a breakout mode, and we gotta go long, always in long type trading right now. The question is, where is my entry? Okay. Wow. What is happening right now? Not so enticed to go long anymore. We have a second entry short about to trigger. On the 5-minute chart. And this signal bar is looking stanky. We did have a bull move, but no follow through. Big push down now. Not interested. I don't know. I mean, this could be doing something cheeky here, but maybe looking for a new low before any other move. It's just, yeah. I mean, this is confusing, right? This doesn't look clean whatsoever. With hindsight bias, you could create this channel like this. Guess I'm looking for a new low here, Panis. I guess I'm looking for a new low here. Huh. Interesting. I guess trading range as well. Trying to focus here. I'm trying to figure out what to do here. It's like entry long forming. It's like entry long forming 2500 tick. You're basically banking on a breakout at that point. Can you use different colors for the info on the top left? Like the magenta? Like the promo or like the rhythmic? What color would you like it to be, sir? What color is good for you, sir? Is that good? Is that better? Second entry long does trigger on a 2500 tick. It does bounce off my trend line quite nicely here. This is worse. Are you sure? What about this? Is that better? Here. I'll keep it like that for you guys. So it's really very clear for you guys. Alright, so we got like a cup and handle situation here. We're still bouncing off our. I gotta try, pandas. I mean, I gotta try to go short here. If we're bouncing off our trend line again. Only for bouncing off our trend line. Nope, we're breaking out. Forget about it. Breakout time. Interesting. Still seems like limit order market. That actually hurts my eyes. That one actually hurts my eyes. That one hurts my eyes. That also hurts my eyes. Ooh. Ooh. What nonsense do we have here, pandas? We're still in limit order trading. Should be trading limit orders here. Shouldn't be looking for stop orders. I know this. I know this. Yet I will still look for breakouts. My mind is just focused on breakouts here. It's a triangle basically in the higher time frames right now. It's going back to the original. I mean, should I, pandas? I should technically be buying something like this. I should technically be buying something like this. Technically. Should be buying near the bottom of these candles on the higher time frames. Right, the 5-minute candles. What scares me is that this is a second entry short. So typically I just buy with a stop order. But because of how choppy we are, I'm going to buy this with limit orders. See what happens. Ooh, limit order trading. Pull through. Come on. Limit order trading, pull through. Okay. Maybe a little too conservative on my limit order. Maybe a little too far down. Doesn't quite trigger, actually. Doesn't quite get there. Should put a little bit higher next time, huh? Well, that scalped out if you did go long. So too like a pullback off of our trend line as well. Tough. I'm still kind of getting used to limit order trading here. All right. Feels like entry long here beneath the 20 MA. I mean, if this triggers, it really wants to push down, but we've been in limit order trading for so long. I don't know if I even want this. Look at the economic calendar Harker speaks. Wow. Who the F is Harker? Soul Survivor says, counting legs. I don't understand how the leg at 956 mark can be a 3 leg. Shouldn't it be a 1? 956 mark. Right here. I know it's hard to count with your eyes. That's why the indicator is good. It's really hard to count that with your eyes, but it is a third push up. The 5-minute, right, limit order, I should have just bought somewhere down here, which I tried to do, but didn't quite get to my where I want to buy. It's just 3 pushes up. 1, 2, 3. And we didn't break a previous pivot low, right? Here's a pivot. Here's a first pivot low. Right, here's a first pivot low. Notice we didn't go beneath it. Another pivot low. Notice we didn't go beneath it. And so, that's it. And that is how you count. Not much more to it than that. So that's why it's a third push up. Ruben says rare. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. We're breaking out. Do I want a piece of this, pandas? Do I want a piece of this? Momentum, higher low? Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Looks like we're going to fill the gap here. I don't think I'm going to get a piece of it. It's going to fill the gap. Just one straight shot. What in the world was that, pandas? Free money? Free money trade? Free money trade? Is there such thing as free money in the market? Oh boy. What is going on here? I guess I'll wait for the second entry long, pandas. What in the world? Why is this push so strong coming back down? It's a hidden second entry long if it does trigger. I'll do the hidden. All right, now I'll do the actual one. Doesn't quite trigger yet, but now it does. I'm guessing we're gonna try to fill the gap. That's what I'm guessing. At the minimum. There's a gap right here that needs to fill, and we're so close to it. I'm just gonna try to go for it. Even if it fails, I don't mind, just cause it just makes so much sense. Like, it makes so much sense, pandas. We're gonna super strong uptrend. We got a two-leggy here, but the two-legged pullback, okay, doesn't quite reverse yet. I can come up break even anytime I want, and now it reverses. Not good. Could come back to the 20 MA here. Higher low would be beautiful. Higher low would be beautiful, pandas. I mean, higher low is beautiful. We got the higher low. You see the second push up, number 2 here. The higher low is looking great. Pandas! Pandas! Coming out break even now. I don't want any funny business. I don't want any funny business. I do not want any funny business. We missed my target by one single tick. I don't want any funny business here, pandas. Funny business is ensuing. We got some funny business here, pandas, and I don't like it. Funny business ensuing. We missed our target by one single tick, pandas, and that's called funny business. Whoo! We literally missed it by one single tick. Like, we're trying to fill that gap, and we missed it by one single tick, pandas. Like, I knew funny business was happening. Something weird was happening right there. It's absolute funny business. Pandas. Pandas. I mean, we come out break even. It is what it is. But wow, funny business. I mean, can you say any more funny business than that? We missed the gap fill by one single tick, pandas. I'm telling you, it was one single tick. Zoom in here. Okay, sorry, it's 2 ticks. We missed it by 2 ticks on a $20,000 product. I mean, that's basically, that's just funny business at its fullest, if you ask me. But I come out break even, it's all good. I mean, I didn't lose money on the trade. I didn't get the money I wanted, but I think it made complete sense to wait for the target to be hit because it's such a big target. It's such a big target, and it's so reliable. I don't like the outside bar reversal here, but something weird's happening now. The fact that we missed that gap fill by one tick makes me want to go short. Makes me feel like we're going to reverse here. That's just crazy. 2 ticks you missed my target by. Goodness gracious. 2 ticks? You serious right now? Well, I tried to time that, pandas. I couldn't even do it. I might get lucky here. Alright, I'm in. Some funny business is going on, pandas. We missed it by 2 ticks, and now we got a trap trade on the other side. Oh man, I'm gonna get hit here, huh? Just got super choppy. Just got super choppy. Now it might fill the gap. It might fill the gap now, right? This trap fails, and that could be a sign for people to go long, right? This trap fails. This reversal attempt fails. I just take the hit and move on. Unfortunate. Unfortunate right here, pandas. This is a stinker. This is truly a stinker here. I'm holding. I'm holding. Holding. Could come up break even right here. Could have came up break even right there. Don't want to come up break even. It's so choppy, pandas. It's so choppy. I'll give it one more chance, and if it doesn't, it is what it is. Yeah, I'm dead. Ooh. I think I missed it. I think I missed the train. I missed the train, pandas. I missed it.
Target
All right,
filled.
I came out break even there. It got really choppy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 bars just completely overlapping. Whew. I'm better off with limit orders here. Spiking channel right now. I'm glad I came out break even there. Doesn't want the new high now. Doesn't want to fill the gap now. I'll go on double. I'll go on double here. On a fail second to short. I'll go on double. Okay, doesn't quite give me my entry here. Give me a fail second entry short, not going double here. We're looking to fill that gap now, but the market usually isn't so generous to give us our setups. Yeah, market's not going to be generous to us, is it? Didn't think so. Might just go without us. Might be where you just have to buy anywhere, everywhere type situation. Yeah, that's going to fill the gap now, though. Darn it. I wish I had an entry. This is like, there's no entry here. I wish I had an entry. I wish I had an entry. What can I say? Just go long anywhere, everywhere. Don't get married to a premise either, so I'm just sitting my paws. Strong bull bar ending on his high on the 5-minute chart might be good enough just to buy for always and long. I'll be patient here. The worst that can happen is I don't make my money. The worst that can happen is I don't make my money. Where's my money? Alright. We got the fail second entry short here. It's a silly trade. I don't even know. I don't even know, pandas. I don't even know. It's an outside bar reversal too. Could just be a trading range here. I'm gonna get hit, aren't I? I'm gonna get hit, aren't I? Yep, gonna get hit here. The outside bar reversal failing. Yikes. I'm gonna get hit. Unfortunately, gonna get hit here. Hate to see it. I hate to see it though, but it is what it is. I mean, you got a strong bull bar on a 5-minute chart. You got another push up here on the strong push up. You got a very clear target right above. I gotta try, pandas. And I'm gonna try again. It's such big risk, pandas. So unnecessary. So unnecessary, that trade. To fail like that. It's just so unnecessary. I'm gonna try one more time here. It's so ugly. Can it be any uglier than that? I don't think so, but I'll try. One more try, pandas. One more try. Wow, just fails immediately. I gotta stay away from this market. This is insane. It's actually insane, pandas. Oh my goodness! It's actually insane. I can't. It got so choppy near such a key area. I'm just trying to buy any trade going up to that key area. That target. The outside bar reversal stops me out, which is incredibly unfortunate. Incredibly unfortunate here. Incredibly unfortunate. Stops me on the outside bar reversal. And if it goes, it's gonna go without me now. Takes me out by the tick, couple ticks. Jeez Louise, pandas. I don't know what to do about this. Oh, now it's gonna go without me. It's gonna go without me. It is what it is. It's terrible. Terrible. Every trade I took, I thought made sense. Wow. All right. Gives me a chance now. I'll take it. Double top, maybe. It's so ugly, this signal bar. What's happening right now, pandas? What's actually happening right now? Is it just a double top, pandas? Am I silly trying to go long here still? Am I being absolutely ridiculous trying to go long here still? Bad looking signal bars. Am I being silly trying to go long here, pandas? I guess we'll find out. I guess I was silly trying to go long here. Double top, reversal. I don't know what to say. These counts are gonna die, pandas. They're gonna die today. Yeah, that was a silly trade, I guess. What in the world, pandas? Alright, my last trade. 5-minute chart, I guess. Five-minute trap. My last trade. Second entry long on the 2500. Trap trade on the 5-minute chart. Or we're just double topping. Should I just look for a short trade now? So tilted, pandas. pandas. That's just brutal. That's brutal. The second entry long here, the trap trade here as well. Right, trap here, second entry long here, both fail. Double top situation. Guess it makes sense. Hindsight bias makes a lot of sense. When I saw this, I should have just stayed away from the market altogether. It always happens to me, pandas. Like the 5-minute chart, we're 2 ticks away from filling the gap, and we just keep trading up here. And I'm thinking, certainly we're gonna fill the gap. Certainly, we will fill the gap. It's always my thinking. Second entry long about to trigger 2500 tick. Undershoot, possibly leading to overshoot here. Second entry long does trigger on the 2500 tick. Do I have to lose 150 in order to keep under the consistency rule? You can. It's up to you. Or you can make more money at the end of your, when you get the payouts, make up for that extra money. It's always hard to just want to lose money though. I remember one time I was over and I was like, I want to lose money now, and I couldn't lose. I was just winning every trade. It was super frustrating. I think that's what YL mentioned yesterday. There was a time I was trying to lose money. It's because I was over the consistency rule, but every time I entered a trade, I was like winning. It was like frustrating. Last trade, possibly for these accounts even. It's a trap trade here. I'll take care of this trap instead. This trade. Trap fails, but I'm gonna hold it. Holding it. Trap failing. I'm gonna scale in here. Actually, do I scale in here? Sure, why not? I think I'm gonna lose a trade just in general. Big push down here. Trap triggers on the 2500. These accounts might be dead. Unfortunately, these accounts might be dead soon. I'm still in it though, amazingly. Yeah, it's gonna make a new low. It's looking for a new low here. These accounts are dead, or this trade is dead. I mean, I might as well. I might as well, pandas. Woo! Wait. Hold! 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 Pandas, hold! 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 Pandas! Hold the door! Hold the door! Hold the door! Pandas! Pandas!
Target filled.
Pandas! 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 No, don't take me out, please. Oh, I'm out, break even. Ah, I tried, pandas. I tried to get as much as I could from that trade. I tried to get higher. I try to get to the break even. All right, try to get to fill the gap. Pandas. Whew, I could try again, pandas. But that was really sketchy. I mean, we are in a crazy market right now. I had to hold that through the swing stop loss. Do they want more? Doesn't want more though, pandas. Doesn't want more. I don't know. I mean, it's so sketchy. It's so choppy, pandas. I may want to fight. I might want to live to fight another day. You know what I mean, pandas? Like, today is not the day to fight for it. Like, why am I struggling? Why am I choosing to struggle so much today when I know today is not the type of market I like to trade? Like, this is not the type of market I like. I don't enjoy markets like this. They're too confusing. Lots of outside bars, lots of outside bar reversals. Salvatore, Apex gonna flag you for inconsistent contract size now? Nah. That was not it. I always go into I go into contracts often, and that was just one scale in for double contracts. I'm trading less than like the max contracts I can trade are 17 contracts, and the most I've ever traded are 4 contracts, pandas. No one's gonna care. No one's gonna care. But you know what? Even though you said it's a joke, you're kind of thinking, well, maybe not a joke. With these accounts, I can go all the way down to 1,500 on one drawdown, on one trade. I can lose 1,500 on one trade, which I have never lost that much ever on one single trade. Maybe an entire day, but not on one trade. This is tough. I mean, the decision should be easy. Like, I should just stop trading, get out of this day. It's just, yeah. But if I really needed a trade today, it is confusing, pandas. Very confusing. Elias says it's kind of sad that people have to fear for their payouts. It's kind of true, but at the same time, they said that they're going to do reviews on the 6th day. So if you are not, like, their goal is to have 0 denied payouts. So if you violated something, by the 6th day, they'll know, and they'll let you know. Second entry long, I'm going to try. I'm trying here, pandas. Second entry long off our trend line, off the 20 EMA. Of course, pandas. I mean, we've already tasted it. We need to try again. Darn it. Darn it. Darn it, pandas. It's going without me. I was too slow to enter. I'm telling you, this market is a game of reflexes. Like, you gotta have some quick reflexes to enter into this market. Okay. You have another opportunity to go long here. But I still like it. I usually don't like it when trade reverses like that. I usually don't like when the trades reverse like this. But if you like the trade, I mean, it's looking okay now. It's looking better. Looking okay, Panda. It's looking okay. Huh. Alright. Really sus market. Strong bear bar ending on its low. What in the world is going on, pandas? I mean, what is going on, pandas? What is actually happening here? Lamazar says, dang, this is the most entertaining day trading stream. Just need to see the panda's face. You know why it's entertaining? Because it's a 100% genuine trading. 100% trading with real accounts here. 100% real emotions. I mean, if I were to make a trading range, I guess it would look something like this. If I were to make a trading range, it looks something like this, I guess. Trap trade ensuing. Not interested in trap trade because we're in trading range. So this could easily just bounce off the bottom, fail. Limit order markets catching it down here. I could try limit order market. I could do something cheeky. I do have my market set up, or I do have my range set up. I could try something cheeky here. Just buy somewhere down here, see what happens. Alright, I guess that trade's done. Just buying out the bottom. I guess I marked that perfectly, the bottom of this trading range. Goodness gracious. Curious to see what the trading range indicator. Let's throw the trading range indicator up there and see what happens. What's my trading range indicator say? It broke it up into several trading ranges. I mean, why not, pandas? Why not give it a try? Why not give it a try? Trade the bottom of the trading range back to the top of the trading range. I don't like the fact that it attempted to go up and then reverse back down. I don't like the fact it did that. I kind of wanted it to, yeah. Makes it a little difficult. I can't just buy here. Doesn't make sense to me. Unless I'm willing to have a wide stop. All right. Might get to a level I'm willing to buy. Maybe. I mean, it makes sense to want to buy down here at the lowest points to be the safest, right? This is the safest point I probably want to buy. This right here is like being a little more risky here, I guess you can say. Maybe I'll take on a reversal up. If he reverses back up here, I'll try. Bouncing off our trend line. I feel like I should buy somewhere down here, but if it's gonna pop up like this, I want a higher low. I want 2 attempts up at least. They're so far in the bottom of the trading range. I think we have enough room for it. Let's see what happens. Let's see what great things the market beholds for us. Buying at the lowest we're willing to buy in this trading range. You can't really get lower than this, in my opinion. If you want to buy the trading range, this is it. This is the level. That's what I'm guessing, at least. All right, we're in a trade here. Are we just gonna flush down now? Are we completely flushing down now? I mean, it makes sense to buy the pivot low here in the super choppiness. Thinking the choppiness will continue. I mean, I could do a really wide stop. Like a really wide stop, but what's the point? What's the point of that? The whole idea of a trading range is that you're risking little. Right? Because you're buying with limit orders. I guess with a really wide stop I can get away with something here.
Target filled.
I don't like that, pandas. I don't like whatever just happened there. I don't like it. Whatever just happened there, I don't like it. Strong bear bar ending on its low. No, thank you. Right near a resistance. No, thank you. I'll come up break even. Thank you very much. Sometimes you're wrong. You gotta just admit you're wrong and move on. Next trade. You know what I mean, pandas? I had 10 points in the bag, though. I had 10 points in the bag, but didn't secure it. I wanted it to come to touch the 20 EMA. That's kind of what I was waiting for. Didn't quite get there, though. Okay, I'm glad I skunked it. I would have got stopped out by now. All right, pandas. Second entry short. Off the 20 EMA. Bad signal bar. First break of trend. Possibly looking for a new low here. Usually sit on pause in situations like this. Last trade of the stream. Let's go for it. I would not advise on this trade. Especially because how choppy it is. Especially because we haven't made a new low yet. Lots of reasons not to enter this trade. Really, the only reason to enter is because we're bouncing off of support. And we're ending the stream, pandas. We're almost done today. Risk is also kind of small here. Last trade of the stream. Let's see if we can get something juicy here. Maybe coming back into our trading range. It'd be quite nice. Second entry long also might trigger on the 5-minute chart here. Just holding it. The risk is not that large here. I mean, you love this entry bar, but you hate the trigger. You hate the following bar, right? There's no follow through. It's a strong bull bar ending on its high. Absolutely no follow. Actually reverses here, which is stinky poo poo, stinky poo poo doo doo. Okay, you will love it to break again the high, right? We're creating a triple trap here. I love the triple trap. I'll take a triple trap. Why not? Okay, triple trap does trigger outside bar reversal though. Second entry long triggers on 5-minute chart, pandas. Hadouken! Pandas! Pandas! Possible runner here. Delicious runner. So delicious. Top of the trading range? Why not? What do I have to lose? What do I have to lose? Coming up break even if it doesn't work out. What do I actually have to lose here? Absolutely nothing. Pandas? Pandas! I mean, might as well fill the gap at this point. All eyes on the 5-minute chart. Let's fill the gap, pandas. Let's go for it. Come on, pandas, you got it! It's a second entry long. Can we make that new high? We got a very nice push up here, pandas. Are we going to get it when it counts, pandas? Are we going to get it when it counts? We're going to try to fill the gap here, pandas. That's all we're trying to do. We're actually green today on the counts. But pandas, we want more. Way more. Pandas! Are we going to get to it? Strong bull bar ending near its high on the 5-minute chart. Hopefully always in long trading now. Pandas! We're in breakout mode right now. Please, 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 please don't reverse. Do not A-top on me. Pandas! Come on, come on, come on. Push! Pandas. I'm going to need it. I think I don't ask for much, but I'm going to need those P's in the chat right now. Push! Super Saiyan! Pandas! Can we get it? Push! Push! No, 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 no. That is the wrong way, sir. As you can see, if you look closely, that is the wrong way. You need to go this way. Go that way. Up. Upwards. No, 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 no. That way. All right, it's okay. Small pullback. Retest, right? Just bounce off the 20 EMA. That's what we're doing here. Just let it cook. Let it cook, pandas. Let it cook. Just let it cook. Let it cook. Pandas! Five-minute chart. It's just, I mean, we're such a good entry here. If it comes all the way down, I mean, it can at least bounce off where you have entered a long second entry long on the 5-minute chart. But to come all the way down here is just ridiculous, pandas. To come all the way back down here would just be ridiculous. No, I mean, I've seen crazier things, but if it does that, it's just ridiculous. Pandas, what we are looking for right now is a push up to our target, which is the gap on the 5-minute chart, pandas. The gap on the, we've been trying to get it all day, right? Several times I tried here. That's why I was down like a negative 1,500. Now we're just down 45 bucks. Up on this trade, 400 some bamboos, but pandas, we're almost there. I'm almost expecting another push down here for a second entry long. Hopefully it turns to a second entry long and not just a full-blown reversal. Hopefully. Can only hope here. I mean, I would love if it was one of those situations every first entry just keeps breaking the previous pivot high, right? And we never break the previous pivot low. I love that situation here, but it doesn't look like we're going to get it, right? Second entry long forming. We've got two pushes down. We've got a second entry long. I think we're still okay, pandas. Like, our entry is so good that I think we have a chance here to reach to the top before we come out break, before it comes back down here. I hope. I can only hope, pandas. Worst case scenario, I'll be down 400 today. I mean, that's the worst case scenario, right? I would come out break even. Essentially, all of this will be like, you know, losses for the day. Pandas! Wait, we have the 20 MA protecting us. I mean, I think we still have a good chance here, pandas. Come on. Come to Papa. It's going to take some time. It's not one of those that goes straight up, even though I would love if it was. But it's more like a trickle up, a grind up here, pandas. Trading range, right? If I extended this trading range. Lower highs for a while now. Let me see this guy right here. Interesting. I mean, should this scare me, pandas? Should this scare me? We did bounce off this trend line. Should this scare me? As in, should I skunk the trade? The answer is, of course not. We're holding this. Either we come out break even or we hit our target, pandas. There's no other choice here. The market has a decision to make, and it's going to do one or the other. Either take me out break even or hit my target, pandas. That's it. That's the only two options right now. We're not exiting this until price action hits one of these two entries, right? Two orders. We're not getting out of this trade. We're holding, pandas. Pandas! Pandas, what is happening right now? This is getting so choppy right here. It looks like it wants to make a move, though. It looks like it wants to make a move, but plenty of room to just chop around for a while. Like this could take hours. What did I get myself into? This could take hours. It might come all the way back down and come back up. I don't know, pandas. Pandas! Okay, pandas. I mean, once we get to this blue line, I need those P's in the chat, pandas. I need those P's in the chat. When we hit this blue line, I need those P's in the chat to push through. We're going to fill that gap. Pandas! Pandas. Okay. It's okay. It's okay, pandas. It's okay. We can still make it. It's just, whoo! It's a deep pullback. It's a deep pullback. Break a trend, new high, coming at the top of the trading range. It's okay. A lot of things are telling us this may reverse here. A lot of things are telling us it may reverse, but pandas, we believe. We have faith, pandas. We have faith. Pandas. Give me another push up. Give me a trap trade here, please. Pandas! I'm scared. It's bouncing at the top of the trading range, which makes sense. It makes too much sense to bounce here. Oh, like I almost want to go short here. It makes so much sense if this just reverses here. I mean, I get it. I completely get it. I almost would want to do it as well. Oh boy. Deep pullback here. It's a shame. Really is a shame. But I said, pandas, this market only has two choices. Either hits my take profit or my break even. One of the two, pandas. One of the twos. That's it. That's all the market gets. One of two options here. Of course, I have preference on which one I wanted to fill. Oh boy. That's not good. Okay. I think this is okay. I think this is just a pullback. Higher time frames, 5 minute, just pull back to 20 EMA, shoot back up. 2500 tick chart also, just a small pullback, trigger the trap trade. That's all it wants to do. It doesn't want to all reverse and take me out. It does not want to do that. Even though it makes so much sense to do that because we're at the top of the trading range. Pandas! What do I do? Oh, it's not looking good. It's not looking pretty. Pandas! Pandas! Oh, pandas. The 5 minutes looking juicy to go long. 5 minutes looking juicy. Oh, am I speaking too soon? Let's let the candle finish. How about we let the candle finish? Let's just let it cook. Let it cook, pandas. Just let it cook. Let it cook. Oh. The 5 minutes looking pretty juicy, right? The fact that we couldn't get underneath the 20 MA makes it look bullish right now. It's quite bullish. Let's get a nice bull bar here on the 5 minute chart. Right, the 5 minutes like all I'm looking at right now. I mean, it just makes sense that we reverse here too. Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised it does either. But at the end, what do I lose? I don't lose much. Let's come out break even on this trade. Move on. You gotta shoot for the stars. We're shooting for the stars, pandas. The stars. I mean, if we break this high here, pandas, like if this candle finishes, we break this candle's high. I mean, that is just amazing. If we break this high, pandas, like if this candle finishes, we break the high of this candle. It's gonna look juicy to go long, pandas. I'm not gonna lie. Right? Attempt multiple times to reverse here. And it's not showing very strong signs of reversal. Staying above the 20 MA here. Oh. Alright. Bar looks a little bearish now. Let it cook, though. Let it cook. Let it cook, pandas. Okay, now we're actually testing the 20 EMA here, pandas. I mean, if this takes me out, it's just a darn shame, but it makes sense too. It makes sense. I want to give it one chance to have another push-up, you know what I mean, pandas? I want to give it one more chance to have another push-up. That's all I'm asking for. One more push-up is all I'm asking for. Let's see. A 1-to-1 was made here. 1-to-1 was made here. Whew. It's not looking too hot. It's not looking too hot for us. It's not looking too good for us. Yeah, it looks like it wants to take me out. But pandas, we still have a trading range here. Potentially, this trading range is still good because we're coming back into it. Ah, pandas, it's not looking too hot right now for us. I'll tell you that much. It's not looking too hot for us. Yeah, it's not looking hot at all. Top of the trading range, back to the bottom of the trading range. It just makes so much sense. It makes too much sense, pandas. The market should never make this much sense, but it's making that much sense right now. In a sense, I should go long here. Like, I shouldn't be taking my stop out here. I should go long. I should be adding on to my position here. Oh, you know what? Even if I take it out, I think it was worth a try. I don't think there's anything wrong with what I did. I think I'm happy with my profits, and best of all, I had the best community on YouTube to do it with. So my farewell speech here on this trade, all good. I mean, we were talking about busting the accounts up to trying to make some greens, trying to make some bamboo now. So I'm happy with whatever happens. I'm happy with whatever happens here, pandas. We had all this profit here. All this profit here, thinking we were so safe. So safe. But the market proves to be in a very mean trading range, right? This trading range is vicious right now, and it's probably gonna be here for the rest of the day, to be honest. I think. I don't know. Rest of the day, I don't know, but it's pretty vicious trading range here. Like, it makes me want to buy somewhere down here. It makes me want to extend this, thinking that we're at the bottom of the trading range, thinking it'll come back up because of how well it's staying in. But I'd rather just come out break even and just move on. Or I come out break even. If I see an entry that I like, maybe enter again. I could fail, so I can enter short here, maybe. That might be a nice trade in this area. That's essentially the trade I took here, right? Fail, so I can enter short. That's what causes huge move up. But it looks like I'm gonna get hit here. Feeling the heat now. Not Super Saiyan, but I'm feeling the heat. Feeling the heat, pandas. It's not good. But pandas, do you believe? That is the question. Do you believe, pandas, in miracles? Do you believe? Do you believe in miracles, pandas? Do you believe in miracles, pandas? Pandas, But do you believe? Is it possible, pandas? It's kind of doing what it should be doing here at the bottom of the range, which is bouncing. It's kind of... Never mind. We're dead. We're dead. Hey, we're still... Pandas. Technically, we're still alive. It missed our stop loss by one single tick here. Pandas. What in the world? That's not possible. That's not actually possible, is it, pandas? Is that really happening? We were saved by one single tick? Wait, pandas. Pandas. Don't tell me. No. No, it can't be. Okay. That makes more sense. I thought for a second we were saved by one single tick. I thought we were saved by one single tick, but you know the market's not that generous. You know the market's not that generous. But pandas, is it? I don't know. If we break this high here, I mean, if we break this high, we have a chance. All eyes on this candle right now. Goodness gracious, pandas. If we break this high, we have a chance, actually. Pandas? Wait. No. No. Pandas, no. You can... No. Pandas? No, stop it. Pandas? Pandas? Wait. Pandas? Super Saiyan! Pandas! What? Pandas? Wait. 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 Wait, pandas. Are you seeing what I'm seeing right now? Pandas. Wait. Hold up. Whoa. Pandas. Remember this. One single tick. One single tick it gave us. And that's all we needed. Huge push up here. Can we get another push up, please? Oh, okay. Never mind. Pandas, it was all a trick. Oh my, pandas, that scared me. I thought we were gonna just fly back up. I was getting hyped. It looks too good to be true. That super strong move up was just absolutely reversed here. Wow, pandas, that was close though. That was close. I thought we had a chance. Pandas. I really thought we did. It seems like it's gonna take me out now. It's all good though, pandas. At this point, I just want to get out of this jail. This jail that we're in. I gave you a promise, pandas. Either we hit our take profit or stop loss. There's no other choice. And pandas, I'm keeping to my word here. I'm absolutely keeping to my word. Oof. That's it. I'm dead. Pandas, I tried. I really tried. I mean, can you blame me for trying? When you see a push-up like this, you're thinking something just happened, and it just came right back down to take me out. Oh my goodness! And is it gonna go back up? Is it gonna go back up now? Ah, we tried, pandas. We tried with all our darndest. We gave all our thoughts and prayers to this trade, and it didn't work out. What can you say? But panda's valiant effort, I think it was worth the try. I think what we did made sense. I think when the market reversed like this, that also made sense. And but my target was still that gap. See, that's what happens when you're married to a premise. You miss all the profits you could have gained. You could have missed all the profits you could have gained, pandas. All the profits you could have gained, pandas. Why else is get back in? You can't step back forward. I'm actually going to take this trap here, pandas. I'm going to take this trap. I think something happened. Something weird happened here. Something fundamentally wrong happened. Should I just go back long? Get back to the top of the trading range? Nah, this is a dumb trade. It's dumb. It's dumb. It's a limit order market. Oh, pandas! I'm done. Oh, I tried. I really tried. We were positive at a certain point. We were up like $500 on that one trade. Right? We had all this profit here and we lost it all. And this just nasty move back down. The trading range just proved to be too strong. And you know, my take profit was just a little, was one tick above here. It was just a little bit higher, and we didn't quite get there. It's all good though, pandas. It's all good. I mean, we live to fight another day. We live to fight another day, pandas. Whew. That was emotional though. I'll tell you that much. I'll take it. I'll take the L today. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. I hope you guys are doing better than me. And pandas, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.